is. Yeah, I see it. Man, it's so windy. Yeah, you can see a Union Pacific grain train down there. Let me know in the comments if you've been to San Antonio. Just need to make sure I do see anybody else, like nobody is talking. Oh my goodness, that's a long one. Oh, camera. Alright, I'm going to walk to another side so you can see the rest of the train. Oh my goodness, this train is so cool. Yeah, maybe Mark wants to see this. So I've seen more of his videos. That's a long one. Huh? Yep, I see. I didn't even know the Autoracks are right here. Oh my goodness, we got graffiti on them. Cool. This train is so wonderful. I'm gonna keep on filming it. Just let me stay right here. There it goes. That's a long one. This train is Union Pacific. Oh, it looks like a San Antonio train station. Looks like maybe Amtrak might come, I think. Maybe Mark sees a wonderful video. And there it goes. There goes the train. Yep, pretty cool train though, yeah? Yep, that's what I thought. YouTube? Oops. Yeah, you could see the whole train station down there. Things.